Now I'm going to talk about the global CSR strategies for Korean enterprises. As we saw from the previous video, although CSR tends to be understood as a good corporate strategy for future development by many companies these days, a number of CSR activities in Korea are being implemented inefficiently due to mismatching between corporate goals and capacities of the companies. To enhance the effectiveness of CSR activities, CSR needs to be connected to the visions and missions of a company and its brand image. In this regard, I think Korean enterprises need to maintain this balance between the domain of global CSR and the strategic CSR process. First is the engagement of CSR in managerial decision-making process. Porter and Cranber emphasized the necessity of recognition that CSR is related to competitive advantage and is not cost-based chance, innovation, and the source of competitive advantage. CSR therefore should be considered as investment rather than cost, and the consensus that CSR is essential in management has to be formed. Second is the connection of CSR activities to corporate visions. CSR activities can be performed efficiently when closely and interactively linked to companies' vision, missions, and goals, which comes from its philosophy of being. Third is the connection of CSR activities to core business. CSR has to be practiced in the field related to business in order to enhance CSR efficiently and corporate competitiveness. Samsung is one of the domestic examples. Samsung tries to enhance effectiveness by implementing CSR activities through each foundation, including Samsung Welfare Foundation and Samsung Culture Foundation, and by conducting representative contribution activities, where each affiliate focuses on one contribution activity by each features, which enables to avoid overlapping. Fourth is the accordance of CSR strategy with management strategy. It is necessary to regard CSR as the core element to ensure the corporate sustainability and to plan CSR activities to contribute to long-term performances by linking it with management strategies. A company can adapt to the general environment better by understanding a variety of local stakeholders. CSR should be designed to establish a positive relationship with key stakeholders such as consumers and the government and dealers in the local society and to form a strong recognition of the brand and loyalty. Fifth is the global PR through CSR. Effective CSR strategies impact on local consumers' attitude by exposing companies' CSR activities effectively to stakeholders and the public in the global market. In this context, McElhenny argued that establishing CSR strategies and implementing CSR programs account for only half of the effective CSR strategy, and the other half consists of making a strategy story, branding it, and spreading it regularly and widely.
Created using Powtoon.